Oh my God, there is something inside here. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing out of here, but we're gonna give it a try. I can't promise it's gonna be in one piece. So I got this neck over trailer, 24 foot, 1977 with a title on a trade. I already see a couple spots that we have issues, but I really want to know what's underneath these boards. So we're going to peel the deck back. We're going to look at the wiring and get rid of all that and see a better way about routing that. I'm going to show you guys probably what they shouldn't have done, what I'm going to do better. I already know there's some questionable spots that are pretty simple fixes on the frame. What else is lurking underneath there that I don't know about? Now, I am not looking forward to pulling these boards off because all the hardware is completely rusted to the point you're not going to get a bit into them. You're not going to get a wrench on them. So I'm going to have to cut the boards off, pry them off. Hopefully they come off pretty easily. And then I'm going to have to go and get all the hardware grinded off. I'm not looking forward to pulling this deck off. Got some of these that still have lag bolts on them. I'm not really sure how easy they're going to pop off, but we'll just start going at it. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. I do have one thing that is bothering me. It's not really high importance, but I'm just curious what it looks like underneath. Oh, this nasty bugger. Let's get this cleaned out. Oh, we're gonna save this. I got plans for this. Oh, a rock. Someone's missing that. Oh, believe it or not, this stuff is rock hard. It is full of nuts, bolts, and dirt. What the heck? This is not how you compost. Someone's underwear strap, that's not freaky or creepy at all. This is all hardware and dirt. Oh man. It didn't light either. Oh man, it's gonna break my dustpan. Seriously. Oh my God. Oh, this bucket weighs a ton. I'll be right back. I'm going to take this bucket to the train station. Okay, I'm back. That bucket had to be 50 pounds, far exceeding the weight limit of this trailer in its current condition. Now to address this wiring. I'm going to show you exactly why you just don't run wiring and metal tubing. And it's because of that. You got to put some kind of rubber grommet in there or a plastic sheath, or do a really good job on taping it up. That will get you by, but I don't want to repeat this. Here's another prime example. Something like that. You really gotta run a little rubber grommet. They sell them at hardware stores. They cost nearly nothing and save you hours of headache. So they do have some angle iron in here to protect the wiring. We're gonna reutilize that the best we can, but I'm not gonna put bare wire in here. We'll run that through that PVC jacketed tubing. We'll make it all look real nice, all the way back to the taillights. Oh yeah, I got some more of this tubing. Yeah, it is just locked in there. All this dirt. You like it, don't ya? Yeah. What in the tarnation is going on here? This trailer lived its whole life going down the road. Taking dirt in the backside of that tube. I might not even use those tubes. I might just get some cheap clamps, self-tap them to the side. I am not wasting my time cleaning all those damn things out. For certain. Yeah, this stuff here, it's not sticking around. Yeah, I think I'll just go with the cheap clips, self-tapper them in there, and called her good. Oh yeah, you think I can reuse that, guys? You think that's we can do that? That's good, isn't it? Now it's time to address all this hardware left behind. She's looking a little sad. Let's get some new shoes on her. If you're wondering what the torque spec was, it was UGA 4 to be exact. I wonder what this sounds like. Yeah. She sounds good, like brand new. Rookie mistake. She definitely has wheel bearings in her future. Oh, that's nasty. Off to the next side. Oh, let's check this one out. Oh, she's solid. Honestly, I'm probably looking at new axles. You might be asking, why would I get new axles? Just rebuild the ones you have. Well, when I get these tires on, I'll show you why. Yep. Yeah, boy. Both bearings will need to be replaced. Now, I don't know if I could pick this up on camera or not, but you see the difference in those two? That's got a different hub than that one, and is most certainly different on the backside compared to this one. Maybe you can see it here. This tire sits in closer than that one. Not only do I have two different axles, but I have two different axle widths. Now, I seen this, but I thought maybe they had all four different rims on this and the back spacing. Figured maybe it was off. There wasn't a matching rim that shared the same back spacing as the other. All four rims were damn near different. I was hoping, besides the different axle style, that was the case, because at least the back plates, they're not too far off from the frame rail. But as you can see, it is pretty blatant. These are two different axle sizes. So I've got something to show you. A little secret, if you want to stay to the end of the video, that I found. I thought, what a little mystery. I'm gonna open this up and see what is inside of it, and what do you guys think it's for? Stay tuned to the end of the video. Well, there she is in all her glory. Nothing too out of the realm of repairing, nothing too extreme. Everything seems to be very solid. I've got a couple support brackets that probably need to be replaced. I got about 10 that absolutely need to be replaced. We got deck boards to put on. What's up next is power washing this thing down, grinding all the loose rust off of it, throwing a fresh coat of paint on it, and wiring this trailer up, and then deck boards. I am extremely curious to know what's in this little guy. All right, before I open this, what do you guys think is inside this thing? Gotta hope it's gold and silver. Oh my God, there is something inside here. I don't know if it's gonna be in one piece or not, but I'm gonna try to fish this thing out. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing out of here, but we're gonna give it a try. I can't promise it's gonna be in one piece. Now, it is registration. Oh, wow. Let's see if I can find a date on this thing. Look at this. Oh, okay. This is neat. So this is set, it's March 8th. Today is March 8th. This says March 30th, 1994. Oskaloosa Food Products was the first, or the owner to this, with this registration. It expires in 95. And where are they out of? Iowa, where I got this trailer from. $10. What's the weight on this trailer? Let's see. 5 tons. Red, 1977, 5-ton trailer. I don't know if you guys can read that, but that is pretty cool. Little time capsule. I'm glad you guys stuck around for that. I got a lot ahead of me. Who knows what else I'm going to find. I'll keep you guys up to date on prices, axles, and what the plan is going forward on this. But like I always say, keep it practical. See you in the next video.